Go through. To experience something difficult. She went through a lot of stress during exams. He went through his notes before the test. Come back. To return. She came back from vacation yesterday. I'll come back later to check on you. Do over. To redo something. I had to do my assignment over because it was incorrect. Let's do over the presentation to improve it. Eat out. To dine at a restaurant. We ate out at a new Italian restaurant. They eat out every Sunday. Get along. To have a good relationship. I get along well with my coworkers. They don't get along because of past conflicts. Give away. To donate or reveal a secret. She gave away all her old clothes. He accidentally gave away the surprise. Give up. To quit. Never give up on your dreams. He gave up smoking last year. Go on to continue. The show must go on despite the rain. She went on talking for hours. Hang out. To spend time with someone. Let's hang out at the mall this weekend. They hang out together every evening. Hold on. To wait or grip something tightly. Hold on, I'll be there in a minute. He held on to the rope tightly. Let down, to disappoint. Don't let me down, I'm counting on you. She felt let down by her friend. Look after. To take care of. She looks after her younger siblings. Can you look after my pet while I'm away? Pass away. To die. His grandfather passed away last night. The cat passed away peacefully. Pick up. To lift or learn something. She picked up her bag and left. He quickly picked up Spanish while traveling. Run over. To hit with a vehicle. The car ran over a dog on the street. Be careful while crossing so you don't get run over. Take after. To resemble a family member. She takes after her mother in looks. He takes after his father in personality. Work on. To improve or develop. He is working on his writing skills. They're working on a new project. Ask out. To invite someone on a date. He asked her out for dinner. She was nervous when he asked her out. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more only English vocabulary.